Ito magiging kwarto ko. You can close it.
This is Sarada.
We hiked all the way to get here to the...
Can't escape your love. It's following me. Never leave.
Hello everybody! It's a new day here in Switzerland. Der Schweiz.
Becky!
And we are here where the crash landing on you.
Yes, that's the spot. That's the spot.
We're on our family vacation. 100 years coming from. We are in our first room. Here we are. Dun, da, da, dun, da, dun, da, dun, da, dun. Ito magiging kwarto ko. You can close it.
This is Sarada. Sarada.
It is Saradable. Goodbye, mother. And Abby, show us where's the kitchen.
This feels like in Japan.
Yeah, Japanese style. And this is the bathroom, just very simple. Chan! Yan, kumakain ng dinner sa labas. It is a new day here in Grindelwald, Switzerland. And as you can see in the reflection, I have an amazing view. Look at that. Little home office situation here. It's been a while. It's been a long while since I've posted my last vlog. And I noticed that I have become more of a introvert when it comes to the camera. And yeah, we'll see how this turns out. But I'm happy that I'm able to travel again after, you know, Corona hit. So I'm excited for this series. I hope you're all doing well. See you guys later. Explore Grindelwald and we're gonna go up for a hike. So hot. Sisters are back there. And yes, let's get it.
that ours?
Meron tinapao. Kanino yan? Tinadala sa akin.
Ha? Kanino yan?
Yan yung mountain card.
Eh, bakit sa akin?
Ayun, no?
Is that
So, they're gonna ship it up there para bababa dyan.
Is that cool?
They blocked my view. We are the chosen ones, mother.
Kakainis.
Up to First, the top, and it's breathtaking. Can't even grasp the realness of this, and the air is so fresh. Schaut euch das mal an. Ist doch der Hammer. Der Hammer ist es. So, nagpictorial na sila sa hello. Ito, may nakapila si mother. That is where we're headed. Keep distance from mothers. They protect their young.
What's that?
Hier, was war das für Was für eine Aber ich habe Höhenangst. I'm okay. We got this. Let's walk.
Oh, look where we are.
Okay.
Oh, tapang ah.
Ja, warte. Und go. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk.
So we are now hiking to the lake. There is a lake up here in the mountains. It's very hot, very steep. It's worth it kasi ang ganda-ganda ng mga bundok. Also hier ist richtig schön. Also die Luft hier ist auch ganz frisch, ganz sobrang daming lakad. Kala mong layo na ang narating mo. Aber du bist einfach immer noch dort. Du siehst einfach immer noch dieselben Berge. Ja, aber wir sind schon bald am See, hoffe ich. Almost there, I hope. But we've seen the trail with many people, so it has to be somewhere around the river bend. I want more. Anyway, there's already water here, so we're getting closer. Das sind die 7 Bergschaften im Tal von Grindelwald. The 7 mountain regions here in Grindelwald. Nasaan na tayo, mother?
Back Alps ang papuntahan natin.
Nasa first tayo. Nasa first.
Are we still in the first? Oh, so we will be the last next.
Si Father.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine.
Nakaalalayan kita. Mahirap dito. Kawawa ka naman. Dandahan anak, dandahan.
Tandaan na kasi ako doon.
Tanda na kasi. Kaya inaalalayan ko. Baka madulas eh. My son is already old. That's why I have to assist him. In case he went down and falling down and down.
Shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Enjoyed our trip to First Grindelwald. We are now in Zermatt, and yeah, just watch the next video. Other than that, see you soon.
Adios Kumay!